Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the regional button. And then click on the language button. And if you scroll down and back, you can just set your language by clicking on it. And then click on the select button. And the application refreshes itself and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.